Good day! We are the Group 8 and we're going to present a original problem using a problem-solving technique, which is the solving problems by looking for a pattern. But first, let me give you a brief explanation of what is the meaning of problem based on our understanding during the lecture. A problem is a long process that requires thinking ability that needs to overcome some sort of obstacles to know the answers. Basically, you have to undergo different strategies like attempting and eliminating some possibilities in order to solve the problem.
Since we're done defining what the problem is, let's start. Number 1. Determine the unit digit or ones digit of the counting number represented by the exponential expression 3 raised to 600. So according to the given, we have to determine the ones digit. Like for example, the Luzon Island has an area of 109,965 square kilometer. Our ones digit there is 5 because the 5 is the whole number before the decimal place or decimal point. Okay, so now let's solve how we will get the ones digit of 3 raised to 600. Meaning, we have to multiply the 3 by itself 600 times.
Our strategy for today is to look for the pattern that we can generalize. Since raised to 600 is a huge number, let's start from the smallest component. Since we're going to start with the smallest component, we can refer to the counting number starting to 3, raised to 1. So, 3 raised to 1, and that is 3. 3 squared is to 9. 3 cubed is to 27, 3 raised to 4 is to 81, 3 raised to 5 is 243, 3 raised to 6 is to 729, 3 raised to 7 is 2,187, 3 raised to 8 is 6,561. In this case, from these 8 answers, we can already observe the patterns. If we're going back to the problem, we are looking for the unit digit. If you look at the left side of the table, you have to observe from the ones digit, each of the answer ends with the 3, 9, 7, and 1 being repeated.
So, even if we haven't solved for the 3 raised to 9, we can easily predict or assume that the units digit of it is 3 because it is only repeating every multiples of 4 or divisible by 4. If we were going to verify it, 3 raised to 9, the answer would be 19,683. So, the question is when there will be 3 units digit, when there will be 9 units digit, when there will be 7 units digit, and last but not the least is when there will be 1 unit digit. Okay, so let's take a look at the patterns that we gathered. 3, 9, 7, 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. Is 600 is divisible by 3? The answer would be yes. Is 600 divisible by 9? The answer would be no. Is 600 divisible by 7? The answer would be also no. And last is 600 divisible by what? The answer would be yes. In short, 600 is only divisible by 3 and 1. So, we still have 2 choices. Let's take a look at another pattern. So, in this table, we can see that if the exponent is odd, the units digit would be 3. But if the exponent is even, the units digit would be 9. So, the question is 600 is an odd or even? So, the answer would be 600 is an even. Therefore, the units digit of 3 raised to 600 is equals to 1.
So how did we come up with the idea? We come up with the idea through brainstorming. We used the time during the asynchronous class of MMW or Mathematics in the Modern World subject to ask each other, conceptualize what would be the best topic to discuss. So we share and suggest our thoughts and opinion, then make a poll for us to vote.
Guide question number 2. How did you plan your task? At first, we asked each other what we would be choosing topic in chapter 3 entitled Problem Solving and Reasoning. We agreed that we will use the problem in determining the unit digit. The problem was originated by Miss Ventero and Miss Orongan was assigned to edit our videos. The original problem we solved can be solved by looking for a pattern. It is quite difficult if we saw at first, but because of the pattern in every answer of every exponential expression from start up to the last, we made the problem more easy. As written in the course material, problems are fun, mysterious, and interesting because we feel mixed emotions before, during, and after we solve problems.
What are the challenges that we've been encountered while doing this task? I think the only challenge that we've encountered is time, because we do not have a plenty of time to do this activity, and we also have different time of availability.